Welcome back. Today we are looking at the AprilAire E080W Smart Wi-Fi Whole House Dehumidifier 80-Pint Energy Review 2026. Maintaining optimal humidity in your home or commercial space is essential for comfort, health, and the longevity of your belongings. The AprilAire E080W Smart Wi-Fi Whole House Dehumidifier is engineered to provide top-tier performance in controlling humidity levels across areas up to 4,400 square feet. With an impressive 80-pint capacity and ENERGY STAR certification, this commercial-grade dehumidifier is perfect for basements, crawl spaces, or entire homes. The AprilAire E080W comes with a host of features that make it stand out in the market. The AprilAire E080W excels in dehumidification performance. Its 80-pint capacity ensures rapid moisture removal, preventing mold, mildew, and damp odors in large spaces. The integrated pump allows continuous operation without frequent manual emptying, making it perfect for basements and crawl spaces where moisture accumulation is common. Users have reported a noticeable improvement in air quality and comfort within days of installation. Energy efficiency is another highlight of the E080W. Being ENERGY STAR certified, it consumes less power compared to conventional commercial dehumidifiers, offering long-term savings on electricity bills. The smart Wi-Fi control further enhances efficiency by allowing users to adjust settings remotely, monitor humidity levels, and schedule operations according to their lifestyle. The AprilAire E080W comes with a hanging kit, making wall or ceiling mounting convenient. While it is straightforward for those familiar with HVAC installations, some users may prefer professional installation to ensure optimal positioning and drainage. The included MERV 11 filter is easy to replace, helping maintain clean air while the unit operates. Regular filter and hose checks ensure peak performance and longevity of the dehumidifier. Can this unit cover multiple rooms or just a single space? The E080W is designed for whole house coverage up to 4,400 sq ft, making it suitable for basements, crawl spaces, or multiple connected rooms. How does the built-in pump work? The integrated pump automatically drains water through the provided hose, allowing continuous operation without manual emptying. Is the unit noisy? While it operates quietly for its size, some noise may be noticeable, especially in very quiet rooms. The fan speed can be adjusted via the smart app. How often should I replace the filter? The MERV 11 filter should be checked monthly and replaced as needed, typically every 6 to 12 months depending on usage and air quality. Can I control the dehumidifier remotely? Yes, the Wi-Fi Smart feature allows complete remote control via the AprilAire app, including scheduling, monitoring, and adjusting humidity levels. Check the link in the description to get yours today.